Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are going to see how we can deploy our React.js project on Vercel. So it is like a front-end cloud, and here we are going to deploy our project just like we create live link on GitHub. So let's get started, and here we have three options to log in. So I will go with GitHub account, and it is going to see what accounts do I have. So I have two accounts, and I will continue with the first one, and it will link my account over here. And as I previously also opened this, so it is showing that added project over here. If you don't see, then just import it from your GitHub account, and you can add another GitHub account also in this. So let's just press on import button over here. So after that, it will show you this page on which you have to do no settings, just leave it as it is and just click on the deploy button. After clicking on the deploy button, it will take just few seconds and it will deploy your project live. And let's just wait for a few seconds. So yeah, the deployment is completed, and we have got our project live. So when I will click on this image, it will redirect me to the link. So this is the live project that I have developed. So it is basically just charts, pie chart, and all that, line chart, area chart, and scatter and all that. So yeah, we have successfully deployed our project over here. And yeah, that's it for this video. If you liked it, then don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.